Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, and you'll know me as the van guy because I do a lot of van videos. And today is another day that we're going to do that. So, 2021 Roadtrek Zion. It's been a long time. I'm welcoming this unit back. Starting at the rear of the unit on the driver's side, you will find a table sitting on the door. Underneath the couch, there's a huge storage area down below, and the couch itself is electric. Push the button, it folds down to make twin beds, or you can fill in the center for a queen bed. It also does have seat belts on the rear, 2 shoulder restraints, 1 lap belt. And moving to the upper cabinets, on the passenger side, you're going to find a big storage area up above, a small one in front of that, and then your closet. Moving up in the kitchen area, you have a microwave up above. Down below, you have a 2-burner stove and a sink. Both are recessed. Both have glass covertops that help for counter space. Moving to the front of the kitchen area, you have your USB ports and power, and you have a extension on the front to give you a little bit more counter space. You have a nice storage drawer below the stove, storage cabinet below that, and then forward is another storage area underneath the sink. Moving over on the driver's side, you've got 2 upper storage cabinets around where the air conditioner is, and gorgeous lights throughout the unit, plenty of lights. 5 cubic foot refrigerator, and then you have this huge slide out pantry, and down below the refrigerator, just above the furnace, you've got a huge drawer. In front of the pantry that slides out, you're going to find the bathroom, shower, toilet. It's got a lock down on the bottom towards the driver that secures it so it doesn't rattle. Moving up into the cab area, Dodge Pro-Ram, a very tight turning radius. People are surprised at how maneuverable it is. It's got power mirrors, top and bottom, and another switch that folds them in if you get into a tight area. Automatic transmission, which you can select manually. Leather seats, and as I mentioned, they swivel and recline. Nav system, backup camera, air conditioning, and just above that, you've got a little storage area for the driver passenger for those handy items that you might want to reach. And then above that, you've got a nice storage area up above. Hey, I wanted to thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. And of course, if you have any questions, who would you call? You'd call the van guy. That's me. 541-554-9581, or use the email on the screen. Call me direct. Thank you.